When I purchased my laptop and monitor, I was facing hard time in controlling the brightness. I had to go through very tough process of controlling the brightness by pressing all the buttons from the monitor backside. So it was kind of very hard to control the brightness always. So I found an app on the Microsoft store. It is called as Monitarian. Using this app, you can control the brightness of multiple monitors, not only one. Or even if you do not have the laptop or external monitor, if you just have PC, this app will work on all the monitors regardless of the company. You don't have to worry about certain companies. I have Acer monitor and it works on all the company monitors. You don't have to worry about it. It's an Windows app. For Mac there is another thing. I will make another video for Mac if you want. So this is for Windows. You can control the brightness, and once you install it, it will appear in the taskbar. You can decrease, increase, do whatever you want. No additional steps is needed. It's just plug and play. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel.